Hadin baladap Snem ka Treikam Jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka parti NPP nakalihang unong yalam jong ka parti All India Trinamool Congress haka jilla uba Charles Pongrub uloong bana ka shipho mak uai tang laimak Iaka Treikam jong ka Sorkar MDA namar kanu ka Sorkar ka ba omla ban ai ka Shakri ka babhai ka jilla kipai bahi kin pisar Uloong Rukom ba kalong mentahi hagajing sensar jong ka Sorkar MDA ka Roy ka par kalong tang najrong kadba hapo don tang kajing bamsap ka bajur suda. Habakili halor ka jingkro ikiwei kinong yelam ban penyaso sa ka parti Aitc ulaya thu ba hadu mentahi nakaliang ka parti ka klempat khot yanuru kinong mikmat na kiwei ki parti ban penyaso sa ka Aitc. Ula benrap susu banakaliang ka parti hi kadon ka jingtmu banbu kertong na borok ki constituency Henry yakane on sa shim yakarai tat hadu ba onda las ngothu ba ki kertong ki bakin bu ban yakhun kindon kalat ban yo yaka jingchom.
Out of 10.
Not much. I think 3 to 10 will be a
3.
fair
3 marks.
3 marks. Which means you just cross the pass mark. Any government for that matter, which does not perform, is normally the people. I mean, through social media and through your media and through different avenues, can judge for themselves. Because if a government is doing well, I can assure you, the people of the state will give them another term. But the ground reality, like you showed me in your video, where you can tear off a piece of bitumen you're supposed to have laid down just in February with your bare hands, that is a total case of corruption. So people will have to decide that. I may say 3, I may say 4, I may say 5, but the people have their own views. And as we see now, I don't think this present government is in a very good wicket. Not at all. First, let me tell you, MDCs can do what they want. There is no bar stopping them, and they will do it because of their own personal need or greed. As simple as that. But if you invoke the anti-defection law, then this will not happen. This is not happening because for the love of NPP or for the love of the Aitc. It is happening because of their own personal agenda. So joinings and leavings is a continuous process till we come very close to the hustings, whereby you don't have time to leave or you don't have time to join. So we cannot take that as a yardstick to say that, oh, they're joining because of the strength of the party. Every party is got joining. Aitc, we have a lot of people joining every day. Not necessarily the MLAs or MBCs. They could be the general public, which will bring you to power.
Did you get it?
Not as yet. Because we have not approached any political leaders, yes. But a representative, we have not approached anyone as yet.